good morning. Today I'm going to show you my favorite breakfast using mini rice and the dried dates, and using this pot to cook my favorite mini rice porridge. And this kind of thing is really good for your upset stomach, so it's very healthy for you. Super easy. Let's start it. First of all, I'm going to use one third cups 3 times for this size for the mini rice, and wash it. So when I wash it, using this thing to wash it, because mini rice is too small. If you're using the regular one, it's easy to go through. So you can see how small it is. So 1 cup. Two cup. I'm using it's about 2 cups. I mean two and a half cups. That's good enough. And we're just using this one to rinse it, and we put a lot of part in the underneath, because when you wash it, sometimes they go through. So it's better we don't waste it. So after wash it, just put this thing back to the pot. And the next, we're going to fill the water. I usually fill about 80% of the water. Okay, now it's 80% of the water in the pot, and I'm going to turn on to the high and put the lid back. Let's wait until. Okay, so now it's about like 5 minutes. You can see it's beginning to boil. And let's use the thing to mix sure the button is not burning. And then next one, we're going to turn the heat to the medium and continue to stir, because it's boiled too fast, so I just make sure the water is not boiled out from the pot. And the next one, I'm going to put the dried dates back. It's already washed, and stir that. So turn it to medium, and then remove the cover like that, and I put a dry dice and continue cooking about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. So as I show, remove the cover, let it continue cooking for 20 minutes, and the temperature is medium. And I set a timer already 20 minutes. Okay, I see you on 20 minutes. Okay, so now is after 20 minutes. Pretty good. And then next one, I usually turn to low and recover. Actually, you can see because I opened the cover lid open, so that's why water is not a lot. So I'm going to put hot water and put it in the roll for a lot of 20 minutes. Right, I just get a little bit hot water, so it's more liquid, and I already turn on the roll to cook that for a lot of 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this porridge is done. And thank you. It's really good for your upset stomach.